why we're here. This has been a different kind of a semester, obviously, and it's a different kind of a summer than we've ever had before. And one of the things that we're really missing is the chance to bring folks who are interested in maybe coming to Wright State, maybe taking computer science or computer engineering or cybersecurity or IT or something that's in our department as their majors, and bringing them to campus and talking with them one on one, getting a chance to chat with people. And so we thought this would be kind of an interesting way to introduce people to the department and take kind of a virtual tour, a little bit different because you can't take into the classrooms and show you the labs, but at the same time, you can get a chance to maybe meet some of your professors, see what they're like, and hear a little bit about some of the course topics, and get a chance to know what computer science, computer engineering, and all the fields that we offer as majors are all about. So that's kind of the plan. One of the most common questions I get from new students coming in is, what course should I take? I don't know what there is in computer science. I just know that I'm kind of generally interested in computer science, computer engineering, or something related to it. How am I supposed to pick without having some exposure what course I should take? And so in this sequence of mini lectures, we're going to try to just give a brief introduction to a lot of the different topics that you can take once you go through the preliminary core courses and the curriculum opens up and you've got lots of different choices. What classes can you take? And so that's the plan, is to kind of give a brief introduction to a few of those areas and maybe talk a little bit about if you're coming into college, or if you're not already here, how to get ready to succeed in those courses. What topics should you be concentrating on? What should you know? If you've got the summer to brush up on things, what might you want to brush up on?